Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we
You are welcome back to my channel. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel before we go. This film you are watching, under by the right hand side, you will see where the right SUBSCRIBE. Use your finger just to press. It will now change to subscribe with the notification bell. Press the notification bell to be getting my notifications as soon as I release my video into my YouTube channel. I want to show you how to sharpen clipper blade. This is Kiki, one of the most strongest blades so far in this world. Can you see the last sharpening was not sharpened by me? It was sharpened by another person. Can you see how the face look like? Let me first show you some things on the surface. Let us first treat the bottom clipper blade. Can you see? Watch carefully. Look at this place. This area I'm circling. You can see that the upper blade, the inside was cut. Can you see? It lay by this side and this side too. If you watch carefully, see this stainless area. Then at the same time, when you watch the front, look at this pointer. Can you see this pointer? See this shiny area I'm circling. Watch carefully. Look at this shiny area I'm circling. This area, that is the only area the upper blade is laying on top of a bottom clipper blade. Can you see it? Then look at this portion too. Those are the three areas the upper blade lay on top of the bottom clipper blade. This clipper blade was not sharpened correctly before. It's not sharpened correctly before. If you watch this area I'm circling now. This area I'm circling now. The upper blade doesn't lay at all on top of the bottom clipper blade. Then if you watch this front, this area I'm circling, the upper blade doesn't lay on top of the bottom clipper blade. Can you see it? So see the stainless area here. This is where the upper blade lay on top of the bottom clipper blade. It was not sharpened correctly. So I want to resharpen it and correct the error there. Let us watch the upper clipper blade. Let us watch the inside. Whether the camera can, yeah, the camera pick it. Can you see? Look at this shiny area. That is area having the contact. Let me show it. That is the area having the contact with the bottom blade. This area is not touching at all. This area is not touching. This area is not touching. Can you see it? So this clipper blade, as I check it through the inner surface study, I've just watched now. This clipper blade was sharpened before, it was not working. So the owner now remount it on the clipper engine. He now hold it down. He hold the clipper down for a very long period of time to clean the original sharpening he has done on it, so that when he bring it to me, he will now say that was how somebody sharpened it for him or her before. So he used it though before he brought it here. This clipper was not working. This clipper blade was not working at all. But that is the system they used to use in my area. That is the system. When they sharpen it by themselves, or another professional or amateur sharpen it, I was unable to get it right. They will now refix it to the clipper engine and hold it down for a long period of time, so that it will look as if they've been using the clipper over like 2-3 weeks. After now, the light they put it on has dulled the surface. They will now bring it for sharpening, saying somebody sharpen it for me, but it's not sharpened properly, not knowing whether he or she is the one that was sharpening it for him or herself. Let us leave that area. No, I want to correct this area. Now, this kind of job now, let me show you one thing. If you want to start the sharpening, look at this stainless area. This stainless area, that is the area touching with the bottom clipper blade. That is where your work is going to start. This stainless area, that is where the work is going to start. Can you see the area I'm touching? This area, that is the area the work is going to start. At the same time, for the bottom clipper blade, when you watch carefully like this, yeah, it has shown in this way. This stainless area, that is where the work is going to start. Let us go into the field now to do the correction. That is why I'm saying, before you can call yourself a professional in sharpening of the clipper blade, this using of the super hard manual sharpening stone deal with sense. I'm telling you sincerely, it deal with sense. It deal with sense. It is not, I cannot compare it to sharper. This one deal with sense. If you don't try to follow the protocol, you may not likely to get it right. Yeah, let's go into the field now for the correction. I'll be not a few. Blade. Let me now drop it down. Yeah, the next thing to do is to apply the treatment to the surface of the super hard manual sharpening stone. Yeah, this is our biscuit bone. I use biscuit bone to rub the surface. This is biscuit bone. I drop it down, then I now take another treatment. Can you see it? This is another treatment again. And now spread it on top of the super hard manual sharpening stone evenly. Yeah, I'm starting with the upper blade. Can you see? This is the area touching with the bottom clipper blade. This is the area I'm going to start. Look at this area now. When we turn it, it's from here to here, this area. This is where I'm going to start at the angle of 45 degrees. Here. Yeah, let us clean and watch. Yeah. Let us watch the inside, what I've just sharpened now. Let us watch carefully. Yeah. If you watch carefully, look from here. Reach here like this. Reach here. Then remain this area. This area I'm touching. This area I'm circling. Remain this area. For me to correct this area now, I have to go back to here again. Try to take note. To correct this small area, to balance up this small area now, I have to go back here to balance here up again. Let's go. This is the area, so I have to repeat here again to balance up this area. Can you see here? Can you see again? Let us watch carefully. Can you see it? If you watch again, still remain this area. So I bring this level down now 2 times. To and fro number 1. I resharpen the second time. I have to come back here again to make the level balance. Let's go. Yeah, here. Only one time. Yeah, let us watch again. Let us watch. Can you see the surface now? Everything has shine up. Everything has shine across. Can you see it? So let's go back into the bottom clipper blade now. Yeah, can you see this one now? Here. This is where the upper blade is touching with the bottom clipper blade. So the work is going to start from here. The work is going to start from here. This is the area. You see the way I place my thumb? That is to and fro 20 times. Let us clean it and see what is happening. Yeah, let us watch. Can you see where the sharpening has started? Here. So let us go again. La fille m'a dit son lot. Here. That is to and fro 20 times again. Yeah, let us watch again. Can you see the sharpening has covered it here? Here like this. No, I'm now coming back here, this area. Here. That is to and fro 20 times. Yeah, let us check now. Let us check. Can you see it? It seems everything has signed across. But when you watch carefully, watch this area, this dark area. This dark area. Let us watch carefully. Seems everything has signed across. Yeah, let me just test it now. Now let us watch. Can you see it now? Can you see the surface? Can you see the carbon form from the left hand side to the right hand side of the blade? Let me show you. Yeah, can you see it? See the carbon in the inner surface of the upper clipper blade. Can you see it? Then look at this area, the back of the upper clipper blade. Can you see it here? Can you see it here where it touches the bottom clipper blade? on the inner surface of the bottom clipper blade. Then now watch here now. Look at this black carbon. From the left hand side to the right hand side, from the right hand side to the left hand side. Can you see it? Which means this clipper blade have been sharpened correctly. Which means this clipper blade, this key clipper blade have been sharpened correctly. So I've corrected the error on it. Can you see? It was an error before, error sharp before. Now I've put it into the sharpening right. I've sharpened it rightly now. This is how to sharpen clipper blade professionally, technically, logically, correctly. Okay. Yeah, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for you to see more of my videos. For you to see all the videos I produce on YouTube, for you to see my new notifications as soon as I release my video to my YouTube channel, you will be the #1 to be seeing my video. Yeah, I used to say it. If you want to become a real professional in sharpening of the clipper blade, if you want to become a real professional in sharpening of the super hard manual sharpening stone, if you want to become a real professional in using of the super hard manual sharpening stone to sharpen different type of clipper blade professionally, logically, technically, okay, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. That is the only channel, no need to doubt. That is the only channel, yeah, that you can watch and enjoy and become a professional in sharpening of the clipper blade, in sharpening of the super hard manual sharpening stone. Yeah, thank you. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe if you have not subscribed now. This film you are watching, look at this film by the right hand side, down part of it. You will see where the right SUBSURIP is. Subscribe in capital letters. Use your finger just to press. It will now change to subscribe, which means you are subscribed to my channel. Press the notification bell. As soon as I release my video to my YouTube channel, you will be the #1 to see my video. Thank you. This is how to correct wrong sharpening. Yeah, professionally into the right sharpening. Thank you. Yeah, can you see the way I have corrected the error now and put it right? There's one advice I want to give to the old barbers, stylists, proprietors, people have interest in sharpening of the clipper blade, in sharpening of the super hard manual sharpening stone, and using sharper. Yeah, let us first know much about using of the super hard manual sharpening stone. If at all you have not get enough money or power to buy the sharper, once you can use your sharpening stone very well, you can be able to maintain your standard. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, can't